Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to write the test cases automatically. When we talk about the software testing, so writing the test cases is a very much pain point for all the testers. So those who are working in software industry and working in especially in the software testing domain, testers has to write the test cases, tons of test cases on the web-based application, mobile-based application, or several other application, whichever they are testing. So here we'll show you how we can write the test cases automatically by using some tools which will help you to save your tons of time in writing test cases. So without wasting time, let's jump to the tool. When we are working on any specific browser or web-based applications, let's say if I'm using Amazon.com and if I want to test Amazon website, simply I will go to the Amazon website and write down the test cases for each and every attribute. So you can feel how many test cases will come when we write the test cases for the Amazon website, which will takes our lots of effort, resources, as well as time for writing these test cases. So if you know we have some tools, by using that tool, we can write the test cases automatically without doing manual work. So you will feel how much time you are saving in regularly. So let me show you how we can do this. So writing the test cases automatically, we have to go to Test Case Studio, which is the tool name, where we have to install the Chrome extensions. For installation of Chrome extensions, select this and add into your Chrome browser. Once you will add the Chrome extension, you will find it out this extension will be successfully added here. Even you can see it from here as well. So when you will go to the Test Case Studio, you will find it out this is the website which is created by Selectors Hub, and the creator name is Sanjay. So Mr. Sanjay has built a very interesting tool where by using that tool, we can write these test cases automatically without spending any single penny or without spending a lots of energy and time for writing the test cases. So we'll show you how we can use this tool. So let's say if you have installed this tool and we are opening this tool, you can see this is in the recording mode. So whatever actions you will perform, these actions will be automatically recorded. So let's see how we can use it. You can also see click stop recording. So it will automatically stop the recording. So if I'm doing some navigations like mobile, then I am going to the any specific mobile sections. Let's say I'm looking for the 10% offer and I've selected this mobile, and post that if I'm adding into the cart, you will see this product will be added automatically. But when we are writing the test cases, we have to spend some time for writing the test cases on each and every step. But you can see here, each and every action, whatever we have performed is recorded automatically. We can change this data in terms of data. If we have, we can also change the expected result. We will get the XPath CSS selector. This is a very much useful. So when you are navigating to the test cases and you are done with this, simply stop this recording and your test cases will be created. If you want to download these test cases, simply it will be downloaded in CSV file. And when you're opening this CSV file, you will find it out very much interesting things. Now you can see the steps are already generated, like opening the website, clicking on the any mobile application and selecting any product. You can change it at any point of time. If you want to change the data, you can also change the data here as well. If you want to add any expected results, you can add it here. If you want to grab the XPath, you can select the XPath from here, or you can also select CSS selector. So this is very easy to write the test cases. Let me do or record some more cases for other website. Let's say if we have, let me close this. Let's say I want to go to rumble.com, and in rumble.com I am performing some actions like Let me check this is started recording or not. Yeah, you can see the recording has been started. So let's perform some like clicking on my feed options, taking developer options, then from the developer options, I'm navigating some other pages like my teams. And from here, let me go to earnings. So here you will find it out accounts, stats, transactions, each and every detail will be available here. So let's see the steps as recorded. You can see whatever actions I perform is successfully recorded. I can download it and share within my team. So you can see all the steps are recorded, which is very much easy when we are creating the test cases, or if we want to add it at any point of time, simply click on this and we can modify the changes accordingly. If we want to delete any steps from here, I can delete it properly from here. I can do several other options like the set attributes or XPath selector. I can select it. If I want to remove any of the selectors or attributes, I can remove it easily. I can delete the steps from here as well. If I want to add any additional steps, simply I will click on the plus icon and I can add my additional steps from here. So which is very easy to modify the test cases whenever it is required. Even though if we are downloading in the CSV file, that is also modified. We can modify it at easily. So let me stop this recording and you can see all the steps are generated very clearly. We can see click on my feed, click on developers, whichever actions I perform is automatically recorded. So we don't need to write. So at the time of walkthrough, rather than doing walkthrough, we can record the steps and generate our test cases accordingly. We can add the test case. We just have to modify, or we just have to maintain our cases accordingly with the test case ID or something like that, which is very simple enough to create the test cases automatically without spending tons of time. So that's all about how to create test cases automatically by using Test Case Studio. Hope you enjoyed it. If you really like the content and you feel this will help to many other people, then don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.